Welcome to Alaska, the last frontier, a land where nature's majesty knows no bounds. Join us as we explore this incredible destination, highlighting its main features and the best time of year to visit. Alaska is renowned for its diverse wildlife. From grizzly bears and moose roaming the forests to bald eagles soaring above, this state is a paradise for nature enthusiasts. One of Alaska's most iconic features is its vast glaciers. Witnessing a glacier calve, as massive chunks of ice crash into the ocean, is an unforgettable experience. The Harding Icefield and Mendenhall Glacier are must-see landmarks. Denali National Park is home to North America's highest peak, Mount Denali. This park offers unparalleled opportunities for hiking, wildlife viewing, and experiencing Alaska's pristine wilderness. Alaska is also one of the best places in the world to witness the northern lights. The vibrant auroras light up the night sky, creating a magical and surreal spectacle. Adventure awaits in Alaska. Whether it's kayaking through fjords, fishing in crystal-clear rivers, or experiencing the thrill of dog sledding, there's no shortage of activities to immerse yourself in the great outdoors. Alaska's towns offer a unique blend of culture and history. From the bustling city of Anchorage to the remote charm of Juneau and the frontier spirit of Fairbanks, each town has its own story to tell. The best time to visit Alaska depends on what you want to experience. Summer, from June to August, offers long days, mild weather, and the best wildlife viewing. It's perfect for outdoor activities and exploring the national parks. Winter, from November to March, transforms Alaska into a snowy wonderland. This season is ideal for witnessing the northern lights, enjoying winter sports, and experiencing the unique charm of Alaskan winters. Whether you're drawn by the call of the wild, the allure of the northern lights, or the thrill of adventure, Alaska promises an experience like no other. Plan your trip and discover the wonders of the last frontier. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you enjoy it. Like and comment so we can continue creating new content for you. See you soon.